Hey Cara, if you're watching this, then I guess you want some help opening this puzzle box. This is a complete spoiler, so I suppose if you want, you could stop it and then try to do it from wherever you stopped it. This puzzle box, 4 of the sides move. The top moves, the bottom moves, and the 2 sides move. And if you notice on the front of it, there's this slit right here. This whole top slides off. So in order to move the sides to free up so you can move the top, you got to move the bottom. So you can move the 2 sides up towards the top, and then the bottom, it can slide either way. And once you have the bottom out of the way, then the sides can move down further, which then free up these sliders on top. The goal is to arrange these sliders in such a way as to form certain patterns, kind of like a combination lock, but instead of numbers, there's patterns. And the first pattern is what I'm going to call a small maze, like that. Okay, and then the next one I'll call large maze. Like that. And then the rest of them are on the other side. So you got to move these out of the way so that you can move this side up. And then you can move the bottom over. And then you can move this side down. First pattern is diamonds. Next one is small maze. And last one is waves. Just like that. To put it back together, just do it in reverse. If you wanted, you could take this top off if you want just a box without a puzzle. Anyway, then you slide the top back in. And the first pattern was small maze. Then diamonds. And then the other side. Large maze. Small maze. Just like that.